with the genocide of our people.
Outside the courthouse, demonstrators called for a ceasefire and denounced President Joe Biden's support for Israel's war on Gaza.
Shame on our government.
I feel terrible about it. I don't feel proud to call myself an American at all. It's disgusting.
They were there in support of Palestinians and Palestinian Americans who are trying to end U.S. military aid to Israel. They accused Biden and top administration officials of complicity in genocide under the 1948 International Treaty Against Genocide. They are asking a federal judge to order the administration to stop supplying weapons and diplomatic support to Israel.
Today was an incredible day. It was indeed a historic day. For the first time in perhaps 75 years, we, the Palestinian community, representing our people in Gaza, got to tell our story and got to share our truth.
The case was streamed online as witnesses described the anguish of losing family members. A doctor in Gaza recounted desperate efforts to save children wounded by Israeli bombs and bullets. Judge Jeffrey White allowed testimony from experts on genocide and international law, despite strenuous objections by government defense lawyers. Lawyers for the government did not address the question of whether genocide is or is not taking place. Rather, they argued that matters of foreign policy and military affairs are the exclusive domain of the executive branch, and that domestic courts have no authority to intervene. Lawyers for the Palestinians say they are optimistic.
And we're really hopeful that the judge does the right thing and does everything within the court's power to stop this genocide.
The arguments were heard and taken extremely seriously by Judge White. He said this is the most difficult, factually and legally case that he's ever had to contend with.
Plaintiffs and their lawyers hope that however the judge eventually rules, at the very least, the case will increase the already intense pressure on Biden to change course. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Oakland, California.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.